Huwag na kayong babawi, ayanin na, ibaba nyo lang sila, ibaba nyo.
Mayor Tomas Osmeña announced that the Cebu City government is accepting both cash and in-kind donations.
Ayon kay Liaction, ninakaw kasi ang pondong dapat inilaan sa flood control projects.
Pero kalimitan, ang mga mahihirap na botante ang sinasamantala ng mga politiko. Maraming klase ng vote buying, pwedeng in cash or in kind. At kalimitan, binubuhos ito sa mga huling araw bago eleksyon.
Reels from the magnitude 6.9 earthquake on Tuesday, government units, civic organizations, and volunteer groups in Cebu City have launched donation drives to provide urgent assistance for those affected.
Napakalimpak po yung kinikita ng mga kurakot pala.
Billions. And they're stealing, some of them are stealing 1 billion a year.
Kahit po maraming compliance po dun sa Yes to Clean program sa ating provincial governments.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Every election, millions of Filipinos cast their votes hoping for a better future. Pero ang tanong, handa na ba tayong bumoto ng tama? Vote is not just a right, it is a responsibility. Bawat boto ay may kapangyarihang hubugin ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. Today, let us talk about voters' education and why it matters in every generation.
Our right to vote was not freely given. Hindi madali nakamit ang kalayaan natin ngayon. Throughout Philippine history, Filipinos fought for democracy and freedom. Maraming bayani nagbuhis ng buhay para sa kalayaan natin ngayon. Because of their sacrifices, we can now choose our leaders. Tandaan, lumalakas ang demokrasya kapag matalino ang pagboto ng mamamayan.
Today, voting has become more challenging. Marami ang nadadala sa kasikatan, chismis at pressure ng pamilya. Instead of choosing based on facts, many vote with emotions. At kapag ganito, humihina ang demokrasya at tayong lahat ang apektado.
Voters' education help us to become responsible citizens. It teaches us to, number 1, verify information before believing it. Number 2, know the qualification and platforms of candidates. Number 3, understand our rights and responsibilities as voters and make informed decision based on facts, not the fake news or popularity.
I see a political post, I won't immediately to believe or share it. I will check the information comes from a reliable source, and I can also remind my families and friends to check facts before sharing informations and to choose leaders based on their qualifications and good standard.
Think before you vote. Verify before you share. Choose leader who serves, not leaders who simplify a promise. Dahil bawat boto humuhubog sa kinabukasan ng bayan. So vote wisely, vote responsibly para sa bayan.
History teaches us that democracy survives when citizens participate responsibly. Ang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas ay nasa kamay din natin. We have the power to become informed and ethical citizens.
Be informed, be responsible, be the change, bumoto ng tama para sa ating bansa. Thank you so much and maraming salamat.